than ours. Another pig fucker. Now, whether that's his personality all the time or not, he mimicked me. He's mimicking me because he knows my thing works. And he's got rhino skin. You can't hurt his feelings. And that's all I've done with all these tremendously successful leaders that I've had the privilege of being around or working with or for. I'm just mimicking what they did. Of course, I didn't meet Mr. Onassis, but Grazos, the CEO of Onassis after he died, I mean, never spoke about this, never yelled. But everybody was deathly afraid of him because of his reputation of what he could cause to happen. And so, it's like Grazos said when we were doing the Haiti invasion thing. He said, if you're not afraid of Mr. Pena, you're stupid. Because I was the guy in charge.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
And that's still the case. Because I'm not just talking to hear myself talk. Most of the bluster you hear on politics, that's why I believe I'm going to be so fucking terrific in politics, is because when I tell you, I'm coming, Nicola, I'm fucking coming. This isn't bullshit. And most people in politics and in business, it's just bluster. And it starts with, again, remember my lawyers. We act for the Queen of England, the Bank of England, the Church of England, and Dan Penny. That's a powerful statement. Still true. Instead of Schwartz and Company, got 3 lawyers, one about to be disbarred. And
so I shorted XRP at 6037 all the way to 6019. Where are we at? Right here.
Okay, I see you 530, 530.
Now we're going up. We're following this pattern here, up to this zone above here. This zone above here, so we can short again. Shorts.
Just fucking do it.
Shorts now. On Ben Eyes. You know what I mean? Jelly bean.
Gerard, the gangster lawyer, who now is rolling up veterinary practices, veterinary hospitals, and where you take your dog and kind of get a bath and shit. Anyway,
213.
And some of the things that you're going to roll up, you're going to find out, much to your chagrin, that you didn't get in your mind in the right vertical. And somebody here yesterday asked me, what if I started in this and then I saw I didn't like it, and then I wanted to go, was it you? Yeah. I should have known it. Anyway. And it's not, well,
guys.
The consternation, the switch.
Look at that, got out perfectly. I got at the right time. Boom, boom, boom.
Pick up the addition. But more importantly, you'll find out that you don't like it. You don't like it.
Too good, baby.
That happens more often. Once you know the lust of having sex 15 times a day wears off, then fuck, how long can I do this? And some people, my advice is to stick to it and exit at some point down, because I know what happens. I know what happens. Number one, your board loses confidence. You know, you sucker punch this, and now we're going from crematoriums to assisted living. So actually, crematoriums and funeral parlors and cemeteries are at the bottom end of the healthcare continuum. And arguably, veterinary practices and stuff like that are also, but that's not human healthcare. My advice is to stick it out. Learn to
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
It's like I knew a guy in college. He said,
"Oh God damn!"
The worst piece of ass I ever had was Twitter. So even the deal that you don't like is better than no deal. Is what I'm trying to say. Saw Steve last night, if I remember correctly. Just like you. Did it remind you of yourself? Cutthroat motherfucker. I forget which one we gave you, but there's 2 or 3 films. One of which, in every film about anybody, whether it's JFK, the longer you're dead, the worse they are. In other words, telling the real shit about you. You know, we didn't learn that Adolf Hitler got off on people shitting on him until probably the 80s. That was a sexual experience. Maybe they should have kept it longer from telling us that even beyond the 80s.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. I got it at the right time. Whoa, pop, pop, pop.
Takeaways from Mr. Jobs. Yes, sir.
James didn't know about the details. He said he's the conductor of the orchestra.
Now he's the second one who said that.
Pop, pop, pop.
I'll put it another way. I don't know, but a handful, not of the icons, but a handful of the guys that you know their names that understand the details. Elon, because of his engineering background, he knows a lot about the details. But the rest of the guys don't. They just don't. Another thing that comes to mind when I think of Steve Jobs, which I met before, is don't confuse me with facts. He didn't give a fuck if the product worked or not. And how long do you take, perfecting, not a spreadsheet, but a website, or an e-commerce product? It's for those of you that are closer to the engineering end of the continuum, it's never ready to go to market. If you were on an assembly line in a car factory, you never want the fucking thing to drop because there's always one more thing you can finger fuck with. Well, this is not the model for that. We want, like sometimes you're late to work and you're still putting on your jacket or your shirt and, fucking your shoes are untied and you run into the car. That's this book. Good enough. What else about Steve? Yes, sir.
It's not about who you are, it's about what you create.
Now, the WAS, which is a co-founder.
Listen to Dan Pena, by the way, guys.
Is a
My
mentee
online
of one of my
mentor.
mentors. One of these guys is mentoring the WAS. From about 5-6 years ago, and he said he didn't believe. Well, nobody believes. What do you mean, no money? I guess back 15-20 years ago, I get so tired of
Guys, I can't believe, man. I got XRP on lock.
Like,
XRP
what do you mean, no money? How can you do that? Saying
Got
that
XRP
the
on
WAS
lock,
telling you
bro.
you're a genius.
Got XRP on
The
lock.
fact that he's a mentee at one of my meatheads is a little overwhelming for me because the meathead
What's up,
that
guys?
he's, mentee of is,
Listen to Dan Pena. Let me stop this real quick.
I might
Bro.
have been,
Stop. Bro, look at this shit.
yeah, he's-
Whatever. Look, I got fucking XRP on lock, bro. I unlocked XRP. It's a cryptocurrency, by the way. But I figured out how it's acting and how it acted. It acted the same exact way in April 18th. And I've been trading.
Yeah, handshake deal with.
All right, that's what's happening next. So I'm waiting for price to break down from here, and then I'm going to short it. Dude, got XRP on lock, bro. XRP on lock, bro.
No. Kind of like the handshake deal with McDonald's.
What's up, guys? I'm listening to Dan Pena. All right, guys, check this out, dude. Like, I got XRP on lock. I've been able to, first off, I've been watching the price of XRP for, I would say, 6 to 10 hours minimum every single day for the past fucking, I don't know, weeks. But now I've been really dedicated on mastering it, and I've been seeing there's certain patterns, and I've unlocked those fucking patterns. This is what's going on right now. XRP is coming up here, just like how it is here, and then I'm going to short it up here. So anyways, I'm super excited about this, guys. We got a lot of new opportunities coming out. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? Taking some of this right here. Taking some of this right here.
What else about Steve?
Check this out, guys. I got XRP on lock right now. I identified, guys.
He was making change.
Dan Pena. Guys, I unlocked the fucking cheat codes to this crypto XRP. If you guys want to know exactly how to trade this, let me know.
So that Apple II was selling and made up.
Getting close,
guys.
We're getting close to a short position
He
here.
was still wanting to make change. He brought up a new product rather than waiting until that one failed.
Well, in marketing, which I'm not a marketing expert, but I'm better than most, is that for the big companies, they have between 10 and 15 derivative products that they will come to market with as the demand wanes. They hit up with another product, and another. And you never wait until the demand is reduced 80%. You hit the market with a new product, and demand goes down 20 or 30%, and you get a new product. So and for e-commerce, it's easy to come up with new products.
You update the
And
stats
especially
here.
in e-commerce, because the Chinese or whoever can steal your product in 48 hours. They have the same product. If it's any good, they'll have the same product in a duplicate. So to stay one step ahead. But Steve was I saw him in Bangalore, India, at a private club, and he was the last time I saw him. And this was about
Ooh.
a year or two after he.
So we are right
came
here.
to the public and said, he inoperable cancer, whatever he had. He was trying all the second and tertiary methods to save himself, as you would, I'm sure, especially if you have money. And he was just dancing on the dance floor by himself, with his eyes closed. Like if it was a love story movie, he'd be there with a girl until the band stopped playing and they didn't know the music was playing. They just keep dancing. But in his case, he was just dancing with himself. And everybody, and then the band stopped about 1:30, and somebody told him that the band had stopped. And I didn't talk to him. But what else about Steve? Yes, sir.
Don't show your inner emotions, stay cool,
Ooh.
even when called a coward by his daughter.
And you know that he got thrown out of the company founder, which I can relate to, by the guy that gave me $84,000 or $80,000 when they started. The fact that the guy.
What do we got? What do we got?
$1,000 only took a third of the company is unusual. 99% of the time, the people that put up all the money take most of the company. And then so he put up the money, and they were in a garage and everything. And then he threw out.
Ooh, we're getting close. We're getting close.
Resurrect Steve to come back to the company. Even ownership, and when you have control, and he didn't have control because he had less than 50%, owners can be tossed down, not owners and founders, the guys that come up with the ideas, contrary to what a lot of people think. What else about Steve? Yes, sir.
He was a ruthless motherfucker. He didn't care about anyone else than himself.
Just like you. I said it yesterday, and I said it sometime in the seminar for Awesome. When I was my most famous talk, currently my talk at the University of Pennsylvania years ago. It's got hundreds of thousands of views online. Other than the optics, the cameraman was a moron, and the cat has now put the slides what they look like because all the slides are above my head. But either it's kind of a standard. I would have thought the Oxford talk, it's not. People, I was too refined. I only said fuck twice. It's interesting. The speech that I say, no bad words, hard to get to any views. Oxford, I said fuck twice, and I called a couple of big-titted mothers and hey, cutie pie. He gets no views. What does that tell you? It tells you most people are fakes. Most people are frauds. Why do I use bad words? Because they work. Don't you think after almost 30 years, if they didn't work, I'd stop fucking saying them? Give me some credit. Yet a lot of people, in the old days, people got offended. They just got up and left. We had a person in that room, the seminar, a guy, Hall of Famer, and I said, you're going to have trouble. And they brought their 5-month-old kid with a nanny. And the wife left the seminar on the second or third day. It looked like a sitcom. The diapers falling out.
Might be needing to short this.
I mean, we should have made a movie right there. Success leaves clues, kids. And what else was it? Yes, sir.
fear works. At the beginning, when they were launching the new product, the computer didn't want to say hello. So he scared the shit out of his engineer. He told him, I'm going to call you out in front of everybody and your career.
So,
And this guy took him 20 minutes to figure it out. I mean, it wasn't ethical because they put it on the other computer, but it worked. In crisis, first thing is life.
unfortunately, fear works. It's not the same as it's not a way to run a railroad. And it's certainly not, should not be a way to run the world.
Man, this is a
Because
fucking.
Mr. Putin is an extraordinary example of fear works. In many of those guys in those former Iron Curtain countries are dictators. Same in South America, dictators. And even though it's a shitty way to run a railroad, it's still around. And one would think with all the goody two-shoes things that we tried to do the last 70 years since World War II, that hunger would be down and all this shit, right? And it is. We'll show you some stats in a couple of days. We're less starving in the world today than we were 5 years ago, 20 years ago, 50 years ago. But we've got people like Greta beating the fucking drum. We've got legions of Gretas standing in front of embassies with placards. But when you look at the numbers, and I believe Bill Gates
Probably got a little more up. You know what I mean? A little more. That's not short right now, guys. We're getting ready to short though.
He's getting richer by us getting vaccinated.
Ugh.
What are you smoking? What else must do?
Oh,
Yes.
Sir, I have a question.
sir, I have a question. Pero
When he was thrown out,
The PepsiCo guy.
yes, sir. When he was thrown out of the company, they had a board meeting in the middle of the night. Was there any way to avoid that?
Sure he was.
Because they had different visions. That
Well, I mean, sure. I mean, well, the truth of the matter is they had planned that for a year. That just happened when the guy woke up, he had to scratch his butt. I mean, when a guy or a gal leaves his significant other, it's rarely just because they did something right then. It's the Chinese water torture. They did it 50 times and 500 times and 5,000, then the 50 million times, fuck you, bitch, get out. I get leaving. And the same. And when I got thrown out, the beginning of the end for me was when Saddam Hussein invaded Kuwait. And they were 30% shareholders. And I was close to the Kuwaits. I certainly wasn't close to Saddam, but and I should have known. Saddam was our fucking CIA didn't know they were going to invade, but I should have known. And so when the share price dropped 60, 70%. In fact, the first day when it dropped 25%, I knew that was the beginning of the end. And then when it dropped as much as 80%, somebody had to fall on the sword. And they come up with a different reason. Mine was I was supposedly insider dealing and stealing from the company. We had a big trial. I told you I could not account for $1,000. But so they come up with a reason. It's like when the politicians or when executives leave their companies or their political positions, they're leaving to spend more time with their family. They're leaving to pursue other interests, philanthropic interests.
Great.
Bullshit. They just got thrown out. But they come up with a reason. In the public, just like the public knows that down south, the Tories were.
Probably gonna go a little more during this Asian session. We're probably gonna go. Zoom.
This one man's opinion, he's lying to his teeth. Everybody knows he's lying to his teeth. But they'll come up with another reason. He's not old. His wife is half his age. I don't know what reason he's gonna come up with. Why he's gonna leave. But so far, Steve, he did change the world. There's no question about that. The things that he came up with now, I mean, 20, 30, 40, 50 derivatives beyond that. It's just like, for those of you that have digital watches, you've got more power in your digital watch than when you put a guy on the moon. That's a little tough for me to grasp. But you overanalyze, and you overanalyze because let me back up. 35 years ago, to do a $100 million deal, roughly speaking, the paperwork 30 to 45 days. If you're using commercial banks, 30 days, 45 days, because now you're Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, so you're not you. So I mean, it's pretty easy to go through credit committees, et cetera, et cetera. When your personal balance sheet is nothing and Goldman Sachs' personal balance sheet is 100 billion, it's easy for them to approve a credit, vis-a-vis, whether you were them. So 45 days to do $100 million before computers in the 60s. It takes now 90 to 120 days to do it with computers. How is that possible? Because now nobody wants to make a decision. Nobody wants to make a decision. Do we have a challenge? Oh, yeah, the thing I asked for, thank you. Nobody wants to make a decision. Nobody ostensibly wants to have their career to hang on something, decision that they made. Thank you, that they made.
See
And
this
that's why we have so many
short,
group
this
committee
short,
decisions now.
shorted at this wick,
Back in the day,
which we got like
had
this wick right
one
here.
guy on a desk made a decision. I like that shit. I don't like it. Now we've got 2 or 3 decision-making committees
You know what I'm saying? It's
because they
good
want to
stuff.
spread the risk of being wrong. Nobody is worried about spreading the risk of if they're right, but that's because they have no self-confidence. And that's why we've gone away on Wall Street from the partnership concept, where everybody had money in the company. Back in the day, Goldman Sachs, all the partners had real money in the company. Bear Stearns, which I came out with, which is now owned by Merrill Lynch. Real money in the company. Now nobody's got it. I used to say, when they say, you got no money.
You guys see that?
in the deal, you got no.
That's a little
skin
sharp
in the
short.
game. I
right
said,
there.
either do you, prick. What's your fucking skin in the game? Now, I've been telling kids to say that for almost 30 years. I don't know one kid that's ever said. You got no fucking money. Who are you to sit in judgment of me? You got no money in this goddamn bank. I know nobody's writing this down. For obvious reasons, right? Jesus Christ, I say, I might go to jail. I think other one of Penny's mentees that won't leave the bank without it.
Oh no, oh no, oh
But there
no.
are people that do it. And you're thinking, how in the fuck does he get away with it? I'm not the only guy that talks like this. My name is so-and-so. I am legally blind, professional accountant. I live in Canada. Shangri-La, no, I'm adding that for Shangri-La. He's on his 3rd roll-up. Blind. And she might go, thank you very much, blah, blah, blah. I have a lot of admiration for people that are blind that can still exist. And then we got you here. Well, you're blind as well. You can see, but you're more disabled than this guy by a factor of 1,000. In Canada,
Entered a new short.
where Canada's Shangri-La on Earth, they let anybody fucking in. They don't throw anybody out, and they love one another. And it's not 50% easier, maybe 50% easier to do this in Canada. Okay. But success leads first.
Come on, right
I hear
Six-
another movie's coming out.
here.
It really shows just how big of
4.7. We're short at 4.7.
they call him now eccentric. I used to be a psychopath, but now I'm eccentric. Yes, sir.
I have a question. Did he saw his first daughter as a mistake? That's why. Did
He
he?
denied that was his kid.
Yeah, because it was a mistake in his case.
No, it's just that when they had whatever the test they had, the blood test, and the DNA it's not 100% sure. It's only like 99% good. So there was one chance in 10 maybe, I forget what the numbers were, that was not his kid. But as far as he was concerned, is if there was any chemical doubt or biological doubt, then he decided not to own up for ownership, fathership of that child, even though I don't forget how long he lived with that girl. And then when he That's not exactly how it really happened. When she was playing with a computer, and then he saw that she was smart. Is that the movie you saw? Yeah, that's not exactly how it happened, but it's close enough for government. But when he determined it, because I think, if I remember correctly, he had a test, IQ test. He wasn't interested in the blood test for DNA, and the IQ test came back. She's a genius, off the charts. Then before that, as I recall, was I think you were married her, but woman.
Yo, what's up, man?
Child, they lived
So, man.
on the dole. They starved to death.
What's up, bro?
This is
What is up? What is up? What is up? I entered another short at 6047. So
Nice. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. I'm going in and out.
in and out, bro. So far I'm up 380, a little over 380, 382 XRP, bro. Just by 2 in and out trades.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Yeah, bro, this is the best thing. Yeah, so I plotted it. So now I plotted the exact fucking pattern, and then now I'm seeing, I'm plotting on the 5 minute.
Oh, I see. That's good. That's dope.
So I can get it in and out a little bit faster. I'll still check on the 30 minute and whatnot, but yeah, so far we're here. So far we're either here where we've created a new high, and we're at this high.
Nice.
Yeah.
Looking good.
What's up? Yeah, I was actually thinking of doing 40,000. I'm gonna start doing 40K.
Damn. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot like because Raja was doing that. He's able to do 10% a day. That's what he was shooting for, and then like so I'm just gonna go shoot for these high. Obviously, I have super tight stop losses.
Yeah,
but,
of course.
But then I also have massive understanding of market structure.
Yeah, that's very true.
There's a divergence going on too. But yeah, I have really good, understanding of market structure, and as you can see, for XRP and whatnot, and located the exact pattern now.
Yeah, I know.
Get on there, and then it also fits Wickfill. Wickfill is just market structure trading price action. That's all it fucking is.
Yeah.
So watch, if you go here, if you go here, on the 8 hour, plus it's got a massive red dot on the 8 hour. We're up here, but then when you go on the 4 hour, this 8 hour candle is just two of these. It's just this one going up to retest, to retest this zone that it broke, and then to go short back down again.
True. Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. Oh my God, man, I'm loving this right now, bro. These bigger moves are way better, bro. Oh my God. Like,
that's good, bro.
I think, yeah. Hey, bro. Yeah. And like, yeah. And obviously, I know you should, I know once you well, I already know you see these hardcore, you see your patterns where they're going to come out.
Yeah, no, of course, man.
Massive, bro. Like, because remember I told you how I was like, okay, yeah, because there's already a divergence happen right here. And like the divergence that happened right here is right here. You see this divergence going down, going up.
Oh,
right
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Going down, it's going up.
Very true. That's good. That's good. Good catch.
Oh yeah, dude. But what I'm doing is what I've noticed is I'm going off of market structure price action first.
Right.
And I'm going on this, but I'm actually entering trades based off of price action along with this. So I'm going more for price action.
That's good though.
I'm giving confluences, of course, like through market cipher and stuff like that.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Let's go. But yeah, yeah. See, so we got to break.
Do you base it also like on major levels of support and resistance?
Oh yeah, 100%. I can break down this to the full T right now. I can break it all down to the exact T. So if we look right here, if we look at, let's bring up the daily. Okay, let's go ahead and bring up the daily. Although it's not going to give us as much of information. Let's go to the 12 hour. Okay, So if we go to the 12-hour, no, sorry, that's 8-hour. Look at this right here. You see this?
Mhm.
Impulse break, massive break of correction, massive break.
Yeah.
So we're already confirmed going down, right? So that's on the bigger time,
Right.
bigger time
Right.
frame. All right. So now, so not just that, we also have our retest go down, retest wicks. Now it's going down, right? Wicked over here. We retested these levels right here. These wicks have been already filled in over here.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Mhm.
Boom. So now we're going. So now we should be going down. So that's higher time frame. Also, we broke the structure, this trend line, the impulse correction, impulse impulse has been broken. And when
Right,
impulse is
exactly.
broken on the bigger time frames, it's pretty powerful. Okay, so that's that. That's the 16 hours. So 16-hour is where we're going down from that. All right. So now we break it down into the 8-hour. How many bars of that? So 8-hour. So here will be our next one. So 8-hour, look, so if I break it down the 8-hour, we still got more. I go down to 4 hours. So I break it down to the 4-hour. Okay, here's support, right? I mean, we already went over this, right? Here's the support. You know, boom,
Yeah.
boom. Broke that major level. Retested it into the short there.
Retested it.
Yeah, already. Okay, so retest. So what's the next thing is we should be going down. All right. So now that I'm, so not only do I have that shit down to the T to this, but I have it down to the T to the market patterns that it's replicating side to side.
Nice.
And then not just that, like that's why I'm doing. Oh, I'm already up 120 XRP. This is way too dope.
Nice.
All right, yes, sir. So now, so we can. Okay, so now let's go back to here. Let's go back to this right here. Now I'm getting it based off of. Okay, so look. Oh, what do we got? We got a little pumpy there. Yeah. So now, I mean, this is still. We close beneath this zone. Oh, we close beneath there again, beneath. So, okay. All right. So let's go break this down to, let's go on the 30-minute. Okay. But this is not really going off of Raj's strategy, though. I'll tell you what, because for these breaks, I'm going off of because I'm so confident in what's going on right now and that I've identified both patterns. But they're falling in within that frame, because if you notice the 4-hour, and not just that, but this strong support has been broken. It's been broken. So now it's going up to retest over here. It's testing it. It's going, it's getting a little, it's having some trouble right now. So that's why, and why did I short it? Because I went on the, I went on the 5-minute, it broke structure, and not just that, the divergence, but also, but also because this is supposed to be, this is already the leg that the 4-hour that went up, so it can go back down again to go back. Yeah. So the 4-hour, the 8-hour is like this. It's still, it made a wick down, and the 4-hour is filling up that wick, and the next candle should just take it back down again. So the next candle will be filling in this right here, this zone from 5928, which correlates to here on this one here, creating a new low. So as you can see, it went under here. It beat this low was beat. Okay. All right. That's this low right here.
Yeah.
On the left.
Oh, yeah.
So, and if I show you right here. That's this in this area. This one right here. Oh, no. Those are very important. Go back. That's this right here. This low, actually, yeah. So this low right here beat this one. So I already made my money on here. I went back up here and shorted it. So now I'm gonna wait for this low to be broken. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but what should be happening next is this low needs to get broken and tap into that. And this thing went all the way up. So I remember I took my money out before it went all the way up. I shorted it, got out, fucking made a little over 222, 223 XRP, right? Boom. Nice. So I took that out. Now what's happening next is boom, this right here, and then it's gonna retest that up high again. So we're gonna create a new low to attack this one, or no, it's actually to attack. Nope, not that one. It's actually like the same one, but this low is right here, and here's this one. So it's gonna attack this one. I'm taking my profits out somewhere around this zone,
Mhm.
how much would be 800 XRP. So I take my profits out around this area here. This is actually bullshit. Get the fuck out. Take my profits around this area because I know it's going to go back up and retest it again. It should be retesting it just like how I did here. Retested that same zone right here. This same
Oh, I
zone.
see.
You see these blocks right here?
Yeah, yeah,
These blocks. That's where we're at right now. We're in these blocks. Though.
yeah, yeah. Oh, I see.
Yeah, the blocks
great.
right here.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, so I'm shorting it down. Probably end up going back up on my while I'm sleeping, or London will probably pick it back up.
Yeah.
New York will bring it back down. So I'm gonna be shorting this again. So I'm gonna short I'm gonna wait for it to come up here to short it. And if I miss that opportunity, I can wait till it goes breaks this low and retests it like just like how I did right here. Watch, it goes
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
It goes, it still picks it up around here. And I'm going to be just shorting my life out of this, bro. Oh, fuck. Man.
Nice, bro. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, dude. And I mean, like I'm sure you can find the pattern that's happening right now. You know what I'm saying? On
Yeah, on Bitcoin. True
yeah.
that. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's money wave is going up. Momentum waves. It's not doing what yours is doing. That's for sure.
Oh no, yeah. There's got to be a way where you can figure out what it's doing. There's got to be a way where you
Yeah, I
can
know.
figure out the same pattern that it's doing. It has to be doing the same thing somewhere.
It has to be doing something somewhere. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I might just take my trade out. Because this thing made 3 highs and it's going to go and make another high. Man, this is really fun, bro.
That's so sick, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome, actually.
Yeah. Who knows, man? I might end up getting pretty ballsy and end up going like even fucking 100K or on some stuff like this.
I think you should test the waters and
Oh no, yeah, I'm definitely doing it right now. I got 20 bands on. I got another. I've been doing. I actually got 22,100 on this one.
nice.
Sorry, 21,100, and the other ones were 20,000. So this is my third 20,000. Actually my fourth. I did one yesterday. Remember I told you where I scalped it?
Yeah. Exactly.
And yeah, I was like, dude. Okay, so literally. Okay, so. Okay, it's starting to curve a bit here. I'm out. Ooh. Okay, so the thing is that when you do use these high amounts, it's like I just made 82 XRP. So I made 103, but it takes away fucking like 22 for fees.
Fees, yeah.
Oh my god, closed.
Nice.
Yeah. I could see it curving up. A bit, creating some sort of support.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out. Okay. Oh, but yeah, it does take a lot for fees though. So you do have to. I mean, yeah, that's.
So you gotta make sure that you're making more than the fees, at least. Obviously.
Yeah, I have it at 17. I have 17x leverage right now, and if I go 100%, I could use 49,000.
Yeah, nice.
49. I can go 49. I can go 49K trades, which is like 78,000 XRP. Oh man, this is good. Okay, so I know that it should start climbing up this fucking trend line here. Should be climbing up again up here.
There, yeah.
Yeah, then I can short it again. And this should be the last short based off this structure. Yeah. Man, dude. But I don't know. Remember I told you I feel like now I think things are gonna like where I feel like I'm gonna get fucking stupid rich for trading.
Yeah, bro.
Like something has been telling me that there's gonna be a lot of, I don't know what it's been, bro. But I mean, fuck, bro, it's been fucking time though. I mean, all the years and everything.
Exactly.
But I think all of us, I think all of us look at that. Oh, that shit just shot up like crazy. Thank God I'm out. Oh, yeah, bro. This is all I've ever wanted, bro. Yeah, so as soon as it breaks structure, or even on the 5-minute, you can short it again off the little trend lines. Yeah, because like shit, bro, like there's a lot of traders out there that have done that double or count strip. Like if you go on Forex, there's actually a lot of those guys that like are making hundreds of thousands of dollars that are like super good.
Yeah.
I don't know, you've seen it, right? I don't know. Have you seen like
I seen it. I seen him. Yeah, I seen him.
yeah. That's what we're gonna do, bro. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Oh man. Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, dude, big time. That's a must.
Yeah. Yeah, I've dedicated myself now to bigger position size. I'm only doing 20Ks and then dude.
That's good, man. That's
What? Oh yeah, so we still got a potential big massive move coming on Bitcoin. I don't think I mean I don't know, man. I don't think there's gonna be any fucking more longs left, man. But maybe you can find one in there
yeah, no, for sure.
or some solid shorts.
Yeah, maybe shorts.
Yeah. What's the next zone? Has it broken a zone and is it retesting it?
Yeah, well, yes, it broke a zone, retested it. It seems like it's going down again.
Is it? Oh, nice. Is it being verified by anything, or is there any confirmation that it's gonna get shorted?
Yeah, I mean, it didn't quite build the bearish divergence like I was thinking it would, and then it hasn't quite. I mean, what I'm thinking is it's still going to go. Still, before it even goes up, it's going to go down a little bit more to hit the trend line that I have here.
Yeah.
And then once it does, I'm going to be looking for
Shorts.
No, for longs.
Oh, long.
Yeah, for longs, because I see the money. Because normally this happens when I see on the 6-minute and 12-minute, the money flows going up. I see it wanting to go up, so I'm thinking what's going to do is just going to do a quick down, like it's going to pump down again to lower levels, and then before it starts going up, and it's going to print out a bullish divergence.
Okay.
That's what I've seen this happen before, especially with Bitcoin.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I'm looking for, and I'm pretty sure that's what we're going to get.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, you
So
can
right
bust
now,
7,500. 7,500.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Sure.
Where's your keys at? You got one out?
Whoop wop, guys. Whoop wop.
Hey, you think you can? Okay, so how many good solid trades a week do you think there is?
Honestly, man, I'm pretty sure I can catch like at least a good, solid 3.
Yeah, 3. Okay, so if you do 3, how much you need to make for 3? You probably need to make what, like at least 400 per trade around there.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it has to be at least like 400 per trade. Yeah, exactly. Has to.
Your position size is gonna have to be well, actually no, because then you can if you hold them. But I
Yeah.
think this market's meant for holding though.
Yeah, it's not at this point. It's not, but yeah. But I mean, I can still probably get like a good.
Yeah, I think if you just put higher, bro. I think if you go for like 10, like bigger, I don't know, maybe bigger position size.
Yeah, just get like at least maybe like a good one, like a 2 to 3%, 2 to 3 can easily be done.
Yeah.
With this market structure.
If you put 20K on a 2% move, that's like that's $400 right there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's true.
$100 million. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Asians. Yeah. What's up with the Asians? All right, see what time it is. See what it was. This is a 1500, 1600. Look, if I tie it to right here, the 1600, it was around here. This is around today.
Mhm.
Same time this did, which is May. This is April 21st. So like, yeah, I think we might get Asian bringing it up a little bit more to like, and then to bring it back down. I mean, this is kind of what this, yeah, Asian in London, and then, oh no, this is this is pre-London. This is pre-London, and then what will happen here? Oh, it's New York. Pre-London, pre-London to London brought it down. New York brought it up.
Brought it up. New York.
Yeah. Oh man. Asians. All right, so it's officially 7 o'clock, bro.
Yes, sir.
Officially 7 o'clock. Let me go and see how all this looks like. We got the 1 hour that's filled. Okay, so that closed halfway. Okay, it's the second hour. If this closes like a doji, then we can go down near. But let's see. Oh, yeah, this 2 hour. If this 2 hour goes down, then that would be the full completion of this 4 hour retesting to go back down. Completing the 8 hour wick fill down here.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's true.
And there's a red dot on the 8 hour, 10 hour too. Yep, right. 10 hour. Yeah. Oh man. Let's go. So it looks like we're having the same thing here. So you see how you get a break of that trend line here on that impulse. And then once you break it, which is a little bit more down here, you get some like exhaustion right here.
Yeah.
This has been broken right here, some exhaustion. Look at that, exactly the same almost. Here, right? Here. Here's this candle. Here's this one. Here's that biggie one right there. Now,
yeah. It's crazy.
But this next candle did go up to retest. So this candle did go up. Maybe there's some sort of trend line that it's following. Oh, maybe if I go from here. No. Is there some correlation to that? Maybe.
Maybe.
Might be a fill right there and then go back down. But no, yeah, basically, yeah. Man, this is fucking exciting, bro. This is fucking too exciting. Ooh, we're getting some volume, some liquid. Some volume. I just saw it pump up quick and down. Bitcoin was going a little volatile like an hour ago. It was going like.
Yeah, it was. I saw that too.
Yeah, that shit was getting crazy for a little bit.
It was working for us.
Yeah, it was. It was working like a little.
Maybe some coffee for tomorrow. Already done. I smoked my crack. Okay, so. All right. So I guess this 5 minute within that hour, how many? There's 20, 60 divided by 5, 6, 5, 6, 12. There's 12 5-minute candles in an hour. So if I go to the hour, we still got some potential up movement. Maybe this trend line will cut it down. So if we got some up movement to 60, 40, 60, 50, 60, 50, 60, 40, 60, 50, 60, 40, where does that take us? 60 right here. Next short is around there. And if you look, bro, you see this, bro? On you see this move right here?
Mhm.
And it always hits down on a trend line. Bro,
Yeah.
it does. This is the same one that we're doing right now. We're doing this right here. Here it is. It goes and here's the trend line. It's the exact same one. Here it is. Okay, you see the V? See that V right there? Okay,
And you see,
up V.
looks identical.
Up V, right? Okay, yeah, exactly. Look at up V.
What?
Hits that trend line and shorts it, bro.
It does.
Here it is. We can short it down to the next support level, which is down here. Dude, this is dope, bro. This is a fractal that is always being done.
That's strange, but it's true.
Yeah, that's why I can do these fucking fat ass fucking trades though. Or I mean, at least with confidence, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So who knows, man? I just I gotta keep it up. All right, here's my next trade. I might be shorting here shortly, but this time I'm doing 40,000. I'm going 40K this time. Going on the 40. Ooh. Fucking. Oh man.
And there's like down like now when we're kind of done, I'll see if I can locate that shit on Bitcoin.
Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna look into it too. I'm looking into it right now, but
Yeah, as I say, yeah.
it's just that it's
right, that'll be for tomorrow. All right. We got here. Ooh. Okay. Then how does it look like on the 1 hour? Oh no, go back. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. I guess you just got to figure out what pattern Bitcoin does all the time. Like I found mine, right? This is like the one that goes up, V, and goes down. Obviously, other than other ones, other patterns that it has. But this one is pretty identical, and it's, I mean, yeah, show it to you guys. You know,
Yeah, that one's.
this one happens all the
it's-
time. This is the one
happens
that,
all the time.
yeah, this is the one that I'm actually doing right now.
Yeah. Well, I mean, one that I noticed with Bitcoin is that Bart Simpson pattern. That's for sure.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Yeah. So.
Damn, bro, fucking fees for $40,000 trade is 35 to 45 XRP. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
God damn. Okay, now that we're here, now we gotta get the zigzag up and down on this trend line, just like how it is here, zigzagged up. We got the fall, so it has fallen to here. Now we got a zigzag up higher to its highest point that it's been, and then short. See if, yeah, this I'm putting 40 on the line. Let's do it. Let's roll. Let's roll. Oh. Oh my God, this thing does the same fucking thing all the time. Bro, this is the same pattern. Oh my God, bro, I've unlocked XRP, dog. I have unlocked it. No way, dude. This literally does the same thing. Goes down, does a zoom, Boom. Oh, dude. Like right now, we're literally, okay, we are here. So you know how like this pattern goes like this. So this is what it does. It goes here. That's what it does. And this right here is this. Remember I showed you how we kind of close beneath this low?
Yeah.
So that's this low right here. This one. On the low of the V. Here it is. And over here, we're over here. So,
Yeah.
and then it goes down here like it did over here. Damn, bro. I think I'm just gonna get an XRP tattoo. King of XRP, dog.
Nice.
Just kidding, bro. I'm messing around. Okay.
Put XRP God.
Yeah, fucking XRP. God, bro. God of XRP. I'm gonna create. Oh, dude, I think I'm gonna do that. Actually, I'm gonna like do like some. I'm gonna fight XRP. I'm gonna fight the SEC with XRP trading.
Shit, nice. There you go.
So while everybody cries about XRP going down in price, I beat the SEC by trading it. Okay. Okay, so where are we within this pattern? Oh man. Okay, so technically we should go down here. So I might do another. I might just do 20 bands then. Because from here we should go down. Oh, what happened there? Yeah. So you get the V under the V, close under the V. Yeah, so what did Asian do then? Let's see. 16, 15. So 16, 15, 14. Yeah, Asian hasn't really done anything. So if volatility isn't, yeah, see, like the volatility over here was before Asian. So if there's no volatility during traditional trading hours, then it tends to be done after the traditional trading hours. That's actually
Yeah, normally it happens like right when the VWAP comes down, you know?
yeah.